What up guys, I am going to install or make my front bumper quick release. I got the quick release Temu AliExpress quick. So I gotta pretty much easier is take the bumper off. I gotta drill a hole. You put these things through and then it's like a detachable quick release for when I go on the trailer and stuff. Don't have to ruin the front bumper, because that was from last time on the trailer. It creased and broke. I removed there's a piece of trim there with a bolt they had coming through, bolts. That one snapped though, so yeah, but I can lift it up after. But before I move the side ones, I'm gonna measure and drill where I want. I'll measure and mark where I want, so then I remove it. Should be good. So this is the quick release set. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. Bam. So essentially, I'll show you for those that don't know how to work. Pretend this is like the body kit, the bumper and the thing. This will go on one side. Drill a hole each side. This goes one side, like that. That will go on the other side. Bam. You have one there, and it disconnects around like that. Like that. If you get me, I'll show you in a minute properly. Okay, I think the bumper is loose. One's loose, that one's loose. Thumbs off. Bam, just like that. The bumper is off. If on camera you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it where I marked. Drill a hole in my car. So sad. Sad. The car's got a hole in it now. That's a pilot hole. What the hell? Now I need to do the larger hole. Now I got the big hole ready for the YouTube. Oh my god. So sad. And on the side. Bruh. Okay, I made a hole in the paper. I just ripped the hole and then put tape so it's a square hole. And I just spray paint where I drilled the hole so it doesn't grow rust in the future. It's gonna look ugly, but it's alright. It's gonna get covered up anyway. Oh, that's a lot of paint. Alright. Now I got a little white. Oh, that one's running. I was way too close. That's why. But I'll show you the side. Got a squarish patch, but it's alright. This will cover it. I'll quickly wipe the other one, the excess. It's good because it won't rust, even though I have rust like right there. That's alright. This will get painted one day anyway. Bam, bam, something like that. What you got? What's this one looking like? This one's actually alright. Clean up the side. Where my camera holding skills are probably trash at the moment. Car needs a clean as well, but it's alright. Bam. So now I've got to do the same on the bumper. The bumper doesn't matter with the paint because it's fiberglass, it will not rust. It's not metal. Okay, I have that covered with paint. I have this drilled out there, not with paint, and then I will install these thingy majiggities. I have 1, 2, and 3 on. I don't know if you can see because it's sun. 3 on. I will show you how to put the last one on. It actually it was like silver, but it actually kind of color matches the car, kind of, which is all good. But yeah, I'll show you how to put the last one on for those that are wondering. For those that are wondering how this goes on, it is really easy. I will show you. Let me set you guys up. Don't mind my dirty room. You guys see there? I don't even know if you guys can see there. I'll hold you guys. I'll try to do this while holding you guys. So, I have a hole. Put my bolt and spacer through the hole. And then on the other side, put a washer and the nut to tighten it. It's hard with one hand, and then I tighten it like a normal nut and bolt. And then I tighten it just like a normal nut and bolt. And now it's like that. Look at color matches kind of. And then I should just be able to put this on and on easy as now. Let's see. Oh look, my front bumper. I need to put it on the trailer. Oh no, it doesn't fit on the trailer with the front bumper. There's this. Grab my stringy rubber band thingy. Bam, one side. Bam. And just like that, my front bumper's on. That one looks kind of ugly. So that one looks. Have a look at the other one. That one looks better. What did I do wrong on this side? I think that's sticking in. I don't know, or maybe that must be more closer to the end. I do know. But yeah, that's how it looks. Should be the same. I think my guard just a bit. but that's not coming off now. I could have made it tighter, I didn't realise how stretchy that thing was. But hey, 2 seconds and she's on, that's good. It's gonna annoy me. Does it look weird? Kind of annoys me, but I'll get used to it. Man, I should have made it so it's tighter. Or what I can do, ready? Is like this. Cross. And it should be tighter. Okay, cross. I don't know. I mean, now quick release, which is good.